Bring the bold, fresh flavors of a Cantina-Style Chicken Bowl right to your kitchen. Chicken thighs are coated in a seasoning mix of salt, black pepper, cumin, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Sear the chicken in some avocado oil, just enough to get a nice coloring on the outside of the chicken. We're not concerned with the chicken being fully cooked at this time. Remove the chicken, and then we're going to saute some onion, garlic, add our fire roasted tomatoes, some oregano, and add the chicken back in to let this simmer in our skillet while covered. Flip the chicken and continue cooking until our chicken thighs reach an internal temperature of about 180 degrees. Then we will remove the chicken and dice or shred it up as desired. Return it to the skillet and stir to coat in all that delicious sauce. Add any salt or additional seasonings as needed. Then we can prepare our bowls. Of course, these bowls are completely customizable, but I'm showing them layered with cooked rice, black beans, purple cabbage, green lettuce, pico de gallo, sour cream, and guacamole. Be sure to follow House of Yum for more delicious meals.